Hi everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create the left and right shakes effects on your video by only using the keyframes feature. So here I've already imported my clips to CapCut, and here you can just change the format first into 9 by 16 and just resize all of the clips like this until it fits into the frame. Okay, and after that you can just click on the first clip and add keyframes at the start and also the end of the clips. And on the first keyframe, drag the clip to the left. And then go in between the keyframes and select the ease out one. Okay, and now on the next clip, add the same keyframes, but move the clip to the right on the first keyframe. Like this, and after that add the same grab. Now for the third clip, do the same thing as the first clip. So drag the clip to the right, to the left, I mean. Okay, grabs and ease out. And now go to animation. Under the in category, select the unfold animation for all of the clips. And after that, you are done. And this is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Thank you.